Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Proton VPN with Secure Core toggle on Windows. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer. Locate the Proton VPN application on your device. Double-click on the Proton VPN icon to launch the application. Wait for the application to fully load. Click on the Login button if you are not already signed in. Enter your credentials in the provided fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the Settings icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find the Secure Core option. Toggle the Secure Core switch to enable it. Read the information that appears about the Secure Core feature. This feature routes your connection through multiple servers for enhanced privacy. Click on Select Secure Core Location to choose your preferred server locations. Select the countries you want to use as your Secure Core. After selecting, click on OK or Apply to save your choices. Return to the main dashboard after adjusting your settings. Select a standard VPN server from the available list. Click on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. Wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, your internet traffic will be routed through the Secure Core servers. You can now browse the internet securely with Proton VPN enabled. Remember to monitor your connection status in the dashboard for any changes. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Proton VPN with the Secure Core toggle on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.